Do you like your career? Really? Do you want to change it? Well, you're at the right place. We can help you. Here at WemaDevops, we can train you. We can help you to not only just change your career, but also to actually succeed in it. Welcome to WemaDevops.
Join a thriving community of learners and professionals at WemaDevops, where you can get training, coaching, and counseling on your journey into the DevOps industry. Register now at WemaDevops.com and become a DevOps engineer today.
So again, as I said, my name is Amoy and I'm one of the team members here at WemaDevops, and we're super excited. Wow. Today we just want to share more about our DevOps training program. So we offer training and coaching services for individuals interested in advancing their careers, DevOps engineering, both for newcomers and those already in the workforce. If you're new to DevOps, have no idea what this is, or you've been thinking about it and just wanted to learn more, this is a place. This is what we do. Our mission is to equip aspiring DevOps engineers with the essential skills needed to thrive in today's dynamic workplace. And some of the services that we offer here, we have our training service that focus on those that are new to the DevOps, but also, we do have students who may have had the training a long time ago and want to brush up back on their skills, learn more. We welcome you. We also have coaching service. This is tailored to those already in the workforce. Sometimes it can get overwhelming. You start this career, it is new. This is where we come alongside and we're here to help, to support you. And so we also have consultation service. We focus on all who needs advice or guidance. Again, just another great part of our service that we offer.